Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Make sure you have the latest Discord app installed on your desktop. Update the app from the official source when possible. Confirm you have streaming permission or go live access in the server. Ask a server admin if you are unsure about permission levels. Check your upload speed and PC resources before changing streaming settings. Use a speed test to verify at least 5 Mbps upload for 720p at 30 FPS. Close heavy apps to free CPU and GPU resources for stable streaming. Start a screen share or go live session in a voice channel first. Click the screen or application window you want to stream to begin. After connecting, open the quality dropdown in the floating stream controls. Select the stream resolution and frame rate from the quality dropdown. Pick 720p 30 FPS for lower bandwidth and 1080p 60 FPS for high quality when available. Confirm viewers can see the new quality by asking them to report clarity and stutter. Adjust if viewers report lag, enable or disable hardware acceleration in Discord settings to improve encoding. Restart Discord after changing hardware options to ensure the change takes effect. Consider reducing resolution to 480p or 720p if viewers experience buffering. Lower the frame rate from 60 FPS to 30 FPS when CPU or upload is limited. Use wired Ethernet and close background uploads to stabilize your upload bandwidth. If issues persist, ask viewers to check their download speeds and switch servers where
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.